Look, I don't know about you, but I got that post-turkey nap syndrome.
The tryptophan.
Happy post-Thanksgiving.
See?
Early Christmas.
There it is.
It's leftover time. Who doesn't love good leftovers? We all love leftovers. Before I talk to you about this lovely leftover lavishing...
Get him in there.
Be sure to like and subscribe. I'm sure you won't after just hearing us do what we just did.
Much hooter.
Here's to Thanksgiving leftovers made into
Christmas. We can start celebrating
delicious
Christmas.
Post-Thanksgiving turkey quesadilla.
Post-Thanksgiving, pre-Christmas, that bee wants you.
How rude. Got him. Got him. All right, so we'll ring it one more time. Here we go. And we're done. We'll see you on the other side. So come on, everyone. It's today's first show. Guys, today we're going to be doing a post-Thanksgiving Day leftover meal.
Quesadillas are a great use for leftovers.
It's just pile it all up in there.
Yeah.
That's kind of
cheese.
That's kind of what we're gonna do today. So right behind me, we've got our 36-inch Pro Series. I've had it doing a little bit of preheating back here, and I'm gonna throw a couple of these tortillas down, and we're gonna. You know what? Why don't we just build back here?
Can I just say? Wait a minute. Is that for one or is that for two?
This is two.
Oh. Okay.
Thunderfloor.
Oh.
Thunderfloor.
Ethan definitely knows what that is.
Do you know what it is?
Of course. Do you?
Yes.
Predicate?
Hey!
Okay. So just on the technique side, I do mine just like this, but I'll fold that in half.
That's what I'm gonna do.
Okay, good. Some people like to...
No, and that's fine if you want to do the double topper, right? Which you can. It just kind of gets a little more difficult when it comes to like the flipping and all that good stuff.
The fold gives you the pocket. The hot pocket.
Hot pockets! Like the slap of the boss pocket?
Slap at that bass, man. I slap at that bass.
Boom, boom, boom.
And another one gone, and another one gone. Another one bites the dust. Hey, hey, I wanna get to you. Another one bites the dust. So now we've got our stuffing. That seems like the next logical step to go down with, right?
Uh-huh.
I'm gonna spoon some of this in here.
Why a spoon?
Why a spoon, cousin?
Why a spoon, cousin?
Yeah.
Obviously because it'll hurt more.
Yeah.
But what if that same actor was in a Christmas movie?
Wait, which one? The cousin?
Well,
Or the sheriff?
because it'll hurt more. Yeah, the sheriff. What if he was in a Christmas movie? What Christmas movie would he be in?
Shoot the glass.
Yeah!
Shoot the glass.
Yeah! Okay, I've got to stop.
Okay.
Because we're getting to a whole other level of cooking and
Late
quoting.
great Alan Rickman.
Next, obviously, cranberry sauce.
Cranberry.
Strawberry.
Strawberry.
So we're gonna throw down a little bit of this cranberry sauce. Again, truthfully with this, whatever
just
you
all the
have,
leftovers.
whatever you have left over. If you got some fried okra, as you fry
People
okra.
do fry okra and
No.
Get some
if
ham?
you got tacos,
have some hickory honey ham.
Never say hickory honey ham again.
what are some of the other staples that you use for Thanksgiving? Ethan, what do you use for Thanksgiving?
You use. It's weird the way to say it.
What?
Did you just...
Pizza? Are you telling me? Did you rub my lamp?
Did you wake me up?
What?
Did you bring me here and all of a sudden you're walking out on me?
I don't think so.
Not right now!
You're getting your wishes.
So sit down! We also have some leftover turkey. And I'm gonna go ahead and season this up actually before I throw it on there.
But you're going to season the turkey.
Yeah, I've got some Essential Blend, the new Blackstone Essential Blend.
You know, this actually is a key, because sometimes you don't get even seasoning on the inside. Wait a minute! Wait a minute! What if you season the cheese instead? See?
Okay.
I'm here for you.
Okay, all right, so we're just gonna do one of these guys right here, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, okay.
Sometimes people forget that, and their individual ingredients taste great, then they actually put it in the quesadilla, take a bite,
And
it's like, oh, it's lacking.
This doesn't do it
Lacking.
very well together.
Yeah.
So before I put that on there, I think for the ease of spreading, I'm gonna give this just a quick chop up.
Big question.
What?
White meat or dark meat?
Oh,
on
dark
the
meat.
turkey?
Oh.
All the way?
Dark meat always. When it comes to a quesadilla, honestly, you can do whatever you want. But eating general,
That's why
Turkey?
that's why the breast is left over.
yeah, nobody wants that.
The thighs and legs are all gone. Oh, gravy? Dude, gravy.
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 Yummy.
Yummy.
The question for you, Thanksgiving: white or brown gravy? Never
Oh.
remember that.
Never remember that.
Good.
I'm a brown gravy prefer. I don't love white gravy. That to me just seems like breakfast.
Huh.
I'm gonna go ahead and do a little bit more cheese because why
Look
not?
at you.
Why not?
Dude, you're ready for a fold.
Just in case. Ooh. Oh, look
Wow.
at that, nice. Now listen up, folks. Listen.
Yeah,
It's
gorgeous.
that crisp we're looking for, and the cheese on the inside is actually almost done. Minus the cheese I just threw on there. Oh, whoa,
Whoa, whoa, come on, come on, come on.
Here we go.
I'm not just a nitwit.
You can't fire me, I quit.
Let's see if this other side. Oh! Well, this side is definitely. Oh yeah.
Beauties.
Mock.
Yeah.
Ing.
Yeah.
Bird. Yeah.
You know Owen Wilson was in a turkey movie? It was so fantastic. It's called Freebirds, and it's a time-traveling turkey movie where they go back in time to get turkey off the menu.
No.
Yeah, they replaced turkey with pizza. So Ethan,
No.
it wasn't.
You are-
It wasn't just a dream.
That sounds
Ethan
definitely
actually-
like a dream.
Hey CJ, did you know that Jong Mayung of Dream Theater not only warms up for shows, I mean, as you would do, but he actually warms down after shows.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
What is warming down?
So, I mean, I get the warming up,
Boom, 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 ba-doom, doom, boom, boom.
but how do you warm that down?
I'd imagine just slowly.
Oh, so we detune it. Can we ring it and bring it real quick?
Casey? Yeah.
Yeah.
Obviously.
Obviously. Hey, where's your cup, dude?
Where's your cup, dude?
Dude, where's my car? Where's your car, dude?
Ethan, where's your cup? Oh, sweet.
And then.
No, and then!
A quick little ring it to bring it. And my friends, you've
Come on.
got a post-Thanksgiving day.
Thanksgiving take 2.
Dude, look at that crispy cheese skirt right there.
A little bit of cranberry
A
sauce
little bit of
creeping
sauce
out.
in there.
This is great.
Yeah, this is amazing.
I will say this does look like a quesadilla, but it won't taste like a quesadilla. Only
That's not Wayne's basement.
That was a haiku.
We're done. So, what do we do now? That was so simple.
Eat it.
Oh!
Right.
Oh, right.
Sometimes it's just that simple. You don't have to complicate it.
Not all the time.
Not all the time, but
this time?
definitely this time.
For
It's
sure.
The food is all pre-cooked. We're warming it up and serving it in a new way. So,
It's
let's-
like a rebirth.
a rebirthing.
It is.
A
second
Thanksgiving rebirthing.
Second
So
life.
let's see how we do.
Second
if
chance.
things get a little weird, cross-pollinating all these flavors inside of a tortilla with
Maybe
cheese.
you'll fall in love with turkey.
Maybe.
Talk about crunch.
So here's the thing.
Just so we're on the same page.
It shouldn't be that simple.
Was this better than Thanksgiving dinner when you had to eat turkey?
Yeah, actually. I don't know why, but the cranberry sauce, I do know why. Like the sweets and the savories. Honestly, the gravy in there, like warmed up, and the cheese, like this is crazy. There's no way this could get any better. Unless someone happened to have a little condiment
No,
on hand.
don't, dude.
Just to see.
It's just gonna taste like.
Just to see.
It's just gonna taste like that. What is this?
It says, it's too good to not be true. Dreaming of a white post-Thanksgiving
You're just wasting.
turkey
Wasting all the flavors you built, all the textures you built. Just cover it all up. Just mask it all up. This is nice.
Just like the ones I used to know. Okay, Ethan,
No.
don't worry. I have one more sauce packet for you.
Oh, yes.
So, this is delicious. Let me know in the comments below. Great segue. Welcome to CJ's favorite comments of the week.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for CJ's favorite comments of the week.
we get to start off with a little bit of a, hey, how you doing?
Hiya.
This comes from a longtime friend, Mr. Kevin Long. He says, I can hardly believe I watched the entire video. Thank goodness for Chef Nate.
Wow, okay.
To which I replied, it's a Christmas miracle! And then I say, admit it, bro. You like me. You like my show.
You really like me.
You love me. You really love me.
Commented underneath it, the stupid movie clips ruined everything. Kev.
Which movies should we quote? Kevin, honestly, leave us a comment. Which movies do you like? And we will quote in the next video we film.
Absolutely. Miracle on 34th, 38th, 56th Street.
That's the sequel that hasn't come out yet.
Oh, cheers. Miracle on 34th Street. All right, this next one comes from a Mr. Sean Taylor. I can see your photo. It's a Mr.
Good to see you.
Sean says, there should be a warning for anyone that has ADHD. You would not do well watching these guys.
Is this on your show?
This is on my show.
That doesn't...
Wait, so ADHD is...
Wait, so if you have it, you wouldn't like this show? Because that's not...
Sean, I do not think that means what you think it means.
I don't think it means what you think it means.
All right, there it is. This next one comes from Xavier Baker.
Professor Xavier Baker?
Yes.
Professor Charles Xavier?
He says, love the recipes.
All right.
But don't care for the corny movie references.
Wait.
Just want to get better on the Blackstone. How do the movie references don't
Wait,
let
are the
you get
movies
better?
corny?
Or do you want more corn?
Or
are you a fan of corn?
Ba with the ba.
No, that's a different...
That's Kid Rock. That's corn. There it is.
Ring or no ring?
I'm not sure.
Yeah, let's let the final answer go to Ethan. Ring or no ring?
Always ring.
Always ring. Interesting. What's beat? Okay, this next one comes from somebody called LX2Envy. It says, wow, using store-bought deli ham instead of baking or smoking your own honey-baked ham?
Oh, come on.
Pro move.
Is he in a mood? He's in a mood.
He's got to be in a mood. Somebody's got a case of the Mondays.
Sounds like somebody's got a case of the Mondays.
To which I replied, what can I say? I'm impressive. To which he replied, CJ, quote, opinions vary. My movie quote, which you will not get. To which I replied, any chance this movie is starring the legendary Patrick Swayze?
He's the Swayziest.
To which he replied, I swear to God, I'm going to ring it and bring it for you right now. You've totally redeemed yourself.
And totally redeem yourself.
Give it up for LX2N or LMNOP.
From now on, whatever he says goes.
You.
What he says goes.
And for another Christmas miracle, as if Kevin Long wasn't enough.
Another miracle.
A good old above average decided to jump in and say hello. He says,
so encouragingly.
CJ, you are the best cook Blackstone Products has. Hands down.
Above average. You're aces in my book.
You gotta know when to hold them. Know when to fold them. Okay. Makes great chicken. God rest his soul.
That's not the same Kenny Rogers.
Yeah, it is. He puts something in his chicken that makes you crave it fortnightly.
Because he puts an addictive chemical in his chicken that makes you crave it fortnightly.
But thanks guys so much for hanging out with us. Be sure to go to blackstoneproducts.com. You're gonna find a ton of bundles and a really, honestly, great time of year to go shopping on the Blackstone products.
To go Blackstone shopping.
Yes,
as they say.
As they say, all of them. You can get this recipe and a ton of others. It's not really a recipe. I put a bunch of stuff in a quesadilla with cheese and topped it off with Taco Bell sauce.
Let's all
but
be
that is
honest
neither here nor there. Definitely be sure to go Blackstone Products. Go to Teespring. You can pick up shirts like this, hoodies like that, stickers like that, and other things like that. You can get background dancers like Ethan over there.
Is
that a polka dance?
Yeah, the polka twist.
Dude,
Kiss me, polka?
The polka. Polka, polka, polka.
Polka, polka, polka. No?